friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the color changing and brightness issue when you're playing the HDR videos in the POCO X3 device. So this was another question which was asked by a few of the subscribers, that they're facing the brightness issues and the color problems whenever they play the HDR videos in the YouTube applications. So in this video, I'll be explaining all the problems, what it is happening in the POCO X3 device and what is the solution as well. Is there any solution or not? So try to watch till end of the video if you want to know what are the details about this problem. So in case if you are not facing this problem, so then there is one thing is that you're doing one kind of mistake, that when you're going to the YouTube, type for the HDR videos only. So this kind of problem will be visible only when you're watching the HDR videos, so not when you're watching the normal 4K or any other videos. Only in the HDR videos the problem happens. The problem is not only found in the POCO X3 device, so even in most of the phones, whatever they play the HDR videos from the YouTube, the color will be changing. That is for sure in any other smartphone. But there is another biggest problem in the POCO X3 device apart from that. So right now I'll try to explain you. So it is a POCO X3 device, and let me try to play the one of the HDR videos here. So it is the HDR video which I'm trying to play. As you can see, friends, as soon as I play the video, everything got changed to the yellow color and very dull colors. So not like the very bright saturated colors. So everything got changed, as you can see here. So this happens usually when you're playing the HDR videos, but whenever you close the HDR videos, the colors will be changing to the back to normal. So let me demonstrate you side by side explaining with the OnePlus 8T device. It is a OnePlus 8T which is a premium end mobile phone. So let me try to play the same video in the OnePlus 8T device. So let me try to just observe the colors of the screen, how it quickly changes. As you can see, it changed to the yellow color and the brightness increased automatically whenever you play these HDR videos. So now what I will do, I'll try to move it down, and let me try to cancel this video and just observe the brightness here, how it will decrease. As you can see here, friends, you just saw the change. Whenever you play the HDR videos, the brightness will increase and the colors will change. So I did not enable any auto brightness as well. As you can see, I did not enable anything. So to demonstrate this problem again, what I will do, I'll try to decrease the brightness to 0%, as you can see. So 0%, the brightness is, auto brightness is disabled. So let me try to play the same video. So right now I'm playing the same video. And let me try to change the phone orientation to the landscape and just observe the brightness will increase. As you can see, friends, the brightness increased. So this brightness increasing and decreasing problem happens whenever you are watching the HDR videos in the any smartphone. So not only the mid-range segment or premium range segment mobile phone, it doesn't matter. The brightness will increase and decrease automatically. As you can see here, the brightness is increased and decreased. And apart from brightness increasing and decreasing, the colors also will get changed from white color to yellow color. Same thing applies in the POCO X3 device as well, friends. Same problem with the POCO X3 also. So this is not a problem. These are actual HDR colors, how they output in the mobile phones. So that's why the colors will be changing every time. But one problem is that the complete colors of the POCO X3 will look very dull. So doesn't look very saturated as before. So let me explain another thing, how you need to avoid that kind of thing. So let me go to the settings here. So go to the display and go to the color scheme. So now you need to change to either auto or standard just by shifting the options. So let me try to change it. Just observe the colors, how it will change. As you can see, friends, the color got changed. So what's happening is that whenever you play the HDR videos in the YouTube, the colors of the POCO X3 is completely changing to the normal soft colors, not to the saturated colors. It should not happen actually in the complete phone. It should only happen when you're playing the HDR videos. But in the POCO X3, it's happening everywhere. Even if you close the YouTube application, the saturated colors doesn't look. Everything will be soft. So every time you need to go to the settings and go to the display, go to the color scheme and just change the mode. So if you change it to standard or saturated or anything, it will work properly. Only you need to every time change whenever you are watching the HDR video. So let me try to explain again. So it is saturated colors looking, as you can see, very bright and very crisp. Let me open the YouTube application. You can see everything is white, doesn't look yellowish. So now let me try to play this video here. So now everything started to look yellowish. the page and complete. If you watch personally, you will notice definitely what I'm talking about. As you can see, as soon as the video started to play, everything got changed after the ad, as you can see, friends. So now the problem is, as soon as I close the video, the colors are not changing in the Poco X3, and complete phone was completely soft, not saturated. So everything is soft everywhere. It's not highly saturated. It should not happen. So now what you need to do, go to the settings, go to the display, color scheme, and now try to change to any options, saturated and auto. Then the colors will be back to normal. So this is how it is, friends. This is the problem most of the users they are having in the Poco X3 device. I thought of making a video by demonstrating with the premium and smartphone as well with the OnePlus 80 device, so you don't need to worry at all. But only problem is that the complete phone is changing to that kind of soft colors. It should not happen. So let me try to play both videos at the same time, and let me try to demonstrate how the difference is in the OnePlus 80 and in the Poco X3. So not to the OnePlus 80, let me even try comparing with the Samsung M51 device. So it is a HDR video, so let me try to play the same video which I am playing in the Poco X3. As you can see, friends, the brightness has been changed immediately, and let me try to minimize, and same thing I'll try to do in the Poco X3 as well. So now just observe, friends, what will happen in the Samsung device and what will happen in the Poco X3 device when you close this video. So right now I'm still playing the HDR video, so both screens are kind of yellowish color. So let me try to close in the Samsung phone. As you can see, immediately the colors started to change in the Samsung device. So this will happen in any other phone as well, but in the Poco X3 that's not the case. In Poco X3, as soon as you close the video, the complete color is getting stuck in that mode only. So I think there is some kind of bug is happening in this Poco X3 smartphone. So maybe in the future updates they should be able to fix this kind of issue. So it doesn't matter, friends, even if you can try in other smartphones as well, Realme X2, or I do have the premium, I do have the mid-range segment mobile phones. I did try, but this kind of problem did not happen in any other smartphone, but only in the Poco X3 the mode is completely getting frozen, and every time you need to go to the settings and you need to go to the display and you need to change this kind of option. And one more thing is that not only in this one, there is another live wallpaper application which I am using currently here. So if you are using this kind of live wallpaper application, and whenever you want to set the live wallpaper, so let me try to select this one live wallpaper. Even when I'm setting this live wallpaper, the colors will change. So there is I think there is some serious problem with this. So it is a options which I'm selecting right now to select the live wallpaper. As soon as the live wallpaper comes, the complete text and phone, everything will become very soft, not saturated, friends. So that's another problem as well. The phone completely becomes saturated, soft. So again, if I need to go to the settings and go to the display and go to color scheme, just observe the colors how it is. Right now it's saturated, but it's not saturated. As you can quickly see the difference. So this is happening for quite some time, but right now it's a big thing because it did appear from the YouTube to the other applications as well, like live wallpaper. Maybe in the future few of the other applications might also get affected by using this kind of mode. So immediately they need to take some serious action, and they need to fix this kind of bug which is happening in the Poco X3 device. So definitely this should not happen at all. Only in the YouTube, whenever you are playing the HDR videos, only then it should happen. Not even after closing the HDR videos, it should not happen at all. So thank you for watching this video, friends. For more videos, make sure to follow my channel regularly and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.